Good morning, morning. Let's see. No news today, so it's gonna be kind of slow day. No news isn't great days. Let's get our set up here. It's our other one. It's gonna be this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna move this. Okay, we're up to that 68. This is what I was looking for here. I wanted to see if it was gonna pump up there. Everything else is pointing back down short, so I was like, will it? This is one. What account is this? It's my Apex account. It's my Elite Trader Funding accounts. My MyFund Futures account, which is almost gone. And this is my Trade Day account, which is also down. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so this one. This is literally like right where I was looking for it to turn around. Sweep that. Start heading back down. Need the accounts today. Take Profit Traders still get their 40% off. No activation fee, no daily loss limit. So please use code JW. It's worth getting. I gotta get some more myself. I need some more accounts. I Take Profit Trader is the best one to be trading. Elite Trader Funding too. I think I got a link. Do I have a link? Yeah, I have a link. I think down somewhere. And Elite Trader Funding is 90% off. They're good too. Oh, I'm just gonna keep watching, see if it stays under this level. If it does, probably gonna take a short. See how it does. See how it does. Almost to the 80. I was going to take a long here. But I was like, nope, I might come up here somewhere and just reject and start heading back down to this order block. And that's what I was thinking. And now I don't know. It's a rainy, crappy day here today. We had a lot of nice days, but starting to get a bit of crappy ones now. Gonna power it through that. It's gonna reject. It's a hell of a turnaround. Alright, this is why I was going to take the long earlier. But I was like, no, better wait. Now I think I should have stayed in it. It was only 4 micros, I think, anyway. That trade, 4 micros? 2. 4. I'm not even sure. I think it was 4. I guess sweep this. Or is it going to go for the high? That's the question. Might just run right up to the high. What are we doing? I think we might just run to the highs. Yeah, back in a second anyway. Setting up for a run to the high, I wonder. Or is it coming back down? Let's see. That might come back down to the VWAP. If it doesn't get it here. It's not a huge fail, it's just I'm looking at it, go here maybe. Selected account group must contain the current account. Wouldn't have the current account. "51 seconds left on the 2-minute. A failed break to the high. Bring us back down here. Set up for a move up higher. Got 5 minutes left. I'm gonna try one here. Stop here. What are we looking for? Probably down here. 14 seconds left. Till the close of the candle. I usually look for this trade in the morning when it shows itself after a break up. It'll come down, come here, and then fail. We'll see if it does. But if it don't, we're out pretty quick, so it doesn't really matter. especially where there's no news today and it's early morning. So, but now I don't like that it's almost at the close of the close at 15-minute candle, but we'll see. Pushing back up into this. If it fails again, I think we definitely move down then. I probably should have waited for this to enter. I normally do above the trend line, but we'll see. Two minutes left till the close of 15. Needs to push down quick. We're looking for this 34 EMA. So if this moves up the EMA higher, we'll move up the take profit a bit higher with it. But we are pretty close to the high now, so I don't know if it's going to fail enough, but it'd be nice if it did. It looks like it's going to. The high is only right there, so that makes it hard. But a little squeeze back down before the high would be nice. Yeah, I don't like us closing up there. 10 seconds. Probably gonna push up, but it's okay. Either way, it was a good trade. Oh, maybe not though. Stalled. Might get our EMA. Might. Lose that out of the EMA. What is that? Anyway, I'm not sure. I think it's a 9. 9, yeah. Get through the 9. Get down to 34. If it starts moving, it might move quick. Be nice to close below that, but it's not going to. It's not enough time. Next one bring us down to like the lows here. These little, then probably pop a little bit, and then hopefully continue down to 34. Continue down to 34. And move us up a little bit. Well, I don't know. Might come down. Retest the 50s. Nine's hard to get under. The 9, man. 9 is strong. Now is this just sweeping everybody again before it goes down? "45 seconds left on the 2-minute candle. If it don't start wicking down, it's probably gonna take us out. But it's starting to wick. Oh, she's sketchy. One second. I don't like that wick. But we're gonna let her ride. Either way. Still at the 80s too, so like 82. That gives us a little more room. If it don't just pop. Yeah, that might be it. Now she's moving up. This might just continue. But oh well. Still a good trade. I've seen that happen many mornings and that just dumped down right to the 34. So, tis what it is, man. I like that trade. But I guess we're so close to the high. So it was probably like, yeah, we're going to the high. And I figured after this, give a little pullback. I'm wrong, but I still feel like it should. There you go. Now, is that just taking longs, or is it going to come right back? friggin' 9 is riding the 9. 1 minute left on this candle. If we can keep down around the 9 and get below it, then we got a chance. Stay down there and close below that 9. If it don't close below the 9, I might have to take it off, but I don't really want to, because I think it can push down, sweep everything before it goes up. But if it don't close below that 9, it's kind of, that was its move. You know what I mean? Like if it closed below, then it would continue. But if it don't close below that 9, it's a high probability it's not going to continue. It is staying below it for now. Okay, we close below. Push back up to the 9, maybe to here, then continue down. Come on, push down. Might even take half of this back before it does, but we'll see. Now that it did that, it went up, swept those highs, put in this big red candle. Not big, but big enough, I guess. I think there's a higher probability we come down and sweep this. Trying to hold up there though. But I think it's going to. I think it's going to. But now that the 34's got so high, I don't know if it's gonna stay up a little bit or like what's down here? Odds are coming back down here. That's super high, but not that slim. Could push through. Probably get another candle here, bounce back up to our entry, and then start moving down a bit more. It always takes this time, but once it goes, it normally just goes pretty quick. bounce back up now and then start moving down. Seen this trade so many times in the morning. I've made this trade so many times in the morning. And normally, like 80% works out. Wait for a consolidation, like I did here. Then sweep something or get up to some level. Start turning around. When it looks like it's going to bull flag. And then it come back down to, it's just like classic NASDAQ. It does it almost every morning. Now, does it always work at 100%? No, but there's a high probability it does. The only thing I don't like about this now is that 34 is all the way up here. So that makes me nervous because it might go through the 34 a little bit, but it never normally does too much. Unless it's got a lot of weight behind it, then it just dumps. 2 minutes or 1:36 until the 15-minute closes. So a Dunch new. You gotta push down, sweep all this. Then look to continue up to take it to high. Pivot point up there at the 18s, 20s, I guess, basically. So I definitely think it wants to go up there, but I think it wants to sweep this first. I don't think we're going to get as much out of this trade as we're going to. Because I think we'll probably get the 62s. Maybe VWAP. I don't even know if we'll get a VWAP, but it's unfortunate. New 15-minute candle. I think it's going to move down now. Come on, let's go. That one looks like it's gonna flash dump. It's got that look of just dropping down. Yeah, I could be wrong, but lots of time to move down or move back up. It's the scary part. 1:36 left on a 2-minute candle, but I think the way it's reacting could get down a little bit more. Push through this would be nice, would be great. I'd love to get down to this line here, but I don't know if we're going to. How much does it want to sweep this, right? That's the question. A minute left on this candle. over here. What's this at? Like 60 maybe. If we even do now, I don't know. Probably should have just took that. 50% of the range besides. But I don't know. It's wicked like that a lot of times already. It basically is a 34 touch, so. Just needs to push down through it. Let's see. Two seconds left on this candle. That could be really good. Close down below that mid. And it's down below the 9 good now. It's actually getting below the 34. So down to the 64 now. We're only looking for the 60 after that, but could push down a little bit more. It's basically down here, so knows there's liquidity down here. What do we got left? 1 minute left on the candle. Or do we just take our 255 and be happy? We gonna get that dump? I think we get it. New candle, 32 seconds. New 2 minute candle. If this closes down towards the low of it, I'd say we just wick down pretty quick to take out any liquidity down below the VWAP. But if we start pumping up and getting out, because 9 seconds. Sorry, starting to create a wick. I don't know. It's not strong. Hitting the 34 at the bottom of it. So you could push down right here. this is where it could wick up back up to here to our. Yeah, I'm taking that off. Oh well. Look at it. Just fluked me out. Yeah, but it could push up, take it this, then continue down, or it could just run up to the highs. That's where I wanted to go anyway. But yeah, 116 each count, that's fine for now. Because this is what I was worried about. We're coming back into this kind of like support. So now we did that. Just gonna look for longs. Now it still might go down to that VWAP, so I'll be watching it. Because like it wants that level. I should take another friggin' short. I know it wants to go down there. But now it might go up a little bit first. So or just dump. It's probably just gonna dump. I should have stayed in. But oh well. 160 bucks each account is good. 250 is better. But see if we get another setup. Once it comes down and pops off that, definitely looking for longs after that. This is 5 minute here. What is this? Apex. This is basically gone. This is my Fun Futures one that I've been fooling with. Not too long, but long enough. I almost got it blown, so. So yeah, the plan is why do we seem 2 minutes on that one too, right? Seems like it's 20 miles away with this one. Might continue down by the way this looks. Like I said, I'd like to get a little pop back up just to take out some of these shorts, then start moving back down to at least this level here, and then dip through this. Yeah, like this is above it. That's below. Both VWAP on Trade-O-Bait, why are they different? For Apex and Elite Trader Funding, they're different. I think I got a link too for Elite Trader Funding. It's 90% off there now, so you can get their accounts pretty cheap. I think it's $80 to activate, but they have, what's it called, 3D that you add onto your account. So then when you go to activate them, it's $39 or something like that. That's crazy. $39 activation. You can add a bit more on it where you don't pay for 3 months or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but it's good. But take profit traders still 40% off, right? So, and the beauty with them is once you got it passed and you got up over the buffer, $2,000 buffer for 50K, daily payouts. So, you know, you're up over to 2,000, you make 500 that day, you can take it out that day, or you could leave it in and try to make 500 a day or 200 a day or whatever you make. Even one good trade a day, like this trade here in the morning, like if you made 160 a day and just left it at that and just let it build up, you know, it wouldn't take long. You know, 10 days of trading, making 160, you got what, $1,600? It's worth it, man. Just doing this one trade. Alright, wait for it to consolidate in the morning a little bit, pop up through it, fail to break at the bull flag, and take the short. It doesn't work every time, but it works a lot of the time. Like, I was always profitable in the morning. The only problem I used to have is I'd trade later on and end up fooling it up, but I'd always make $300-400 in the morning off that trade. Then I'd turn around and blow it up later on. Foolish. See, look at it. Should have just stayed in it. But I really thought it was going to come up. I'd take out some of these shorts first, but I guess I was wrong. We're going to front run this a little bit. It's only 4 micros anyway, but we're going to set up we're going to buy here. We're going to set up a sell down here somewhere just in case it keeps going down. And we're looking for the high. Sell it up there. Let's see if we get it. I think we will. It all depends how it reacts down here. I think it pushes down now with the what we have left. Okay, so it's 8:30 now. Oh, I might just push up now. That. There you go. Come down now to the view up first. Then run up all you want. Yeah, I might just run now. Might just run. What are we doing? Right, that's what I was thinking I was going to do earlier. Sweep that, then continue down. I think I might do that now, actually. No. When it sees wicks, it likes taking them out again, then moving down. Or continuing up. In this morning scenario. New hour too, so be careful. It gets crazy with new hour. I don't have my accounts shown, but I got 5 Elite Trader Funding accounts. I was just trying to show it, but it just doesn't work for some reason. I don't know why. Or is that just my... No, it don't show it. Word. See, right? That's what I was saying. Might come back down, but I don't know. Right? That's what I was thinking. But I was hoping it was going to come down here first. It still might. Let me just sweeping this. Come down to the 54. What do we have this set at? 54? 50. Still front run a little bit, so it should come down there. And then wick us in and continue up to the high. Hopefully. So far we got 160 in our Elite Trader Funding accounts, 5 of those. And we have a trade waiting for our Apex one. I'm ending done with these yet because, well, it's just not enough volatility anyway. And I need to get a Take Profit Trader account. That's something else I need to do. Need to get one of those. Because, like I said, Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee. It's worth it. Daily payouts, use code JW. Really appreciate it. And like and subscribe. Now, on the 15, we're at the VWAP here. We got 7 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I like to sweep below that, honestly, down to this 54-ish level. Then I like to start moving back up. Sweep down this. I think this is the 50 right here. Pretty sure it's 50. Sweep down to that level. Then go for the highs. What up? Before everything starts getting too crazy, because another, say, half hour to hour is going to really start moving aggressively. And then these slow trades aren't going to work. That dip. Just need that dip. We're going to get it though, because all that consolidation is going to sweep this, then up. Well, I'm going to put it on this, and I'll be right back in a second. Hopefully we get tagged in. Gonna get tagged in here, I wonder. I think we're going to dip down quick below the VWAP. Maybe. Maybe before it moves up. Maybe it does. That might come right down too. I don't know. Doesn't want to take all that move back. All this here. Just wipe all that out like it never happened. Hard to say. Come on. Now's the time. What is that on this one? 49. We're up to 51. 51's where? Probably move 53. Might hit 53. I might just run here. Hadoshnu. Hope it don't. Oh, it looks like it wants to. Hopefully next candle stays below this too. Push down, tag us in, start moving up. Hopefully that's the case. Nine minutes until the next 15-minute, or 8 minutes till the next 15-minute candle's done. This looks like this could be where it pops, but I don't know. Yeah, it probably is. It was probably it there. Off by a pint. My son's playing games. They're so angry. Yeah, I think this is where it moves back up, I think. Yeah. Should entered there. I think we missed it. No. Might get one more dip, but doesn't seem likely. God. We're back above the 9 now. So if we turn the... Get back above the 34, you really... I think we definitely missed it. Yeah, I think we did. Should have put it at 55. And that's where I wanted to put it to, but I was looking at 5 on this, right? Yeah, I was looking at 5. Alright, it's closing up there too. Good though, could pull back one more time. But I doubt it. Alright, that looks more like a run. There's over 4 minutes left till the close, 15 minutes, so chances are I could push here. Look for the highs. Unfortunate. Excuse me. One more sweep, come on. One more down. Then go up. Up 160 in our 5 Elite Trader funding. We have trade set up for Apex. So one more push down. Okay. And we might get it. Oh, doesn't need much. Just push down. I don't think we're gonna get it. Looks good on... Well, no. It's going. And I'm not gonna chase it. Although I want to. See, like I even wanted to enter here on this one. That's what I was waiting for. But I was on the 5 on the Trading View one. I was on the 5 minute, not on the 2 minute, so I was looking on the 2 minute was way better. I should have been up here around 55, 56. And I would have caught that then. 20 points. Time it's done. A little pullback here maybe. That's probably not going to get below that 34 again. Might go back to the 9 though. Two minutes till close, 125 until the close, 15-minute candle, the next one, so if it stays up around those highs, yeah, let's say it come back a little bit, but then I think we move up and go look for those highs. Probably not going to. Probably just going to run 43 seconds to the close of this candle and a 15-minute candle, so I'm probably going to run here. At least to the 80s and maybe it'll pull back after the 80s. But then I might just run for the highs too. Yeah, I should have been watching it a little more carefully. I'm going to pull back to the 34s. Pull back to the 34 and the 9 EMA. Stay above it, and then maybe enter. I might bounce around there for a bit, but it's definitely not coming back down there. Let's see. Put this down below this low. 37s at 6 of that's too much. Put it down here and just see. I don't even think it's going to make much further than this down. I think it's going to go up. New candle. off on this 2-minute candle. Yeah, right. It's not gonna make it down there. Crap-a-doodle. Yeah, I'm gonna take one here. I'll take a small trade here. Let's see, because this might just push now. Feels pushy. Yeah, I might end the tag there. We'll see. Stop at the highs. Sell at the highs. Stop down here at the, what are we at, 48s. And one more little candle push down. What's the next candle? 53 seconds. Tag us in, be nice. There we go, tagged into that trade. Let's see now if we start moving up or are we coming down for this. That's where it was looking. That's where it was looking. Oh, we're not looking for all that. We're just looking for this. Maybe 3,000s. What are we in at? 66s? Or 71s. So 29 points. .49 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. Need to push now. Do we push? Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee, no daily loss limit. Code JW, please use that. It really helps. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell. Come on. Pushy, pushy. I think we can. I think we can. Get the little push we're looking for. Like I said, we're not looking for a huge amount. But as long as it gets over the 80s. 80s might be a little, but I don't think so. Not with the push we just had. It seems like something it wants to do is go up, so. Getting to 23,000 shouldn't be extremely difficult. Even if we get above with these wicks, I'll probably just look to take it off, but if it pushes fast and goes right up, awesome. But if it don't, once we get over those highs, we'll be like, yeah, okay, let's be a little more careful. That's where it's looking like it wants to go. And then again, this could just dump down. But I don't know. I don't think it's going to. It looks squeezy. It's the only thing that makes me think it's going to go up. It's got a squeezy look to it. I might just have to stay in this for a while. I might get a reaction up around here too. Around the 80s. We didn't actually make it to the 80s last time. We got to 78s, but I get a little pullback after the 80s. Or unless it just keeps pushing. If it pushes hard, it'll go. It'll just run up fast. All depends how much it wants to squeeze. It gets that squeezy mentality. We just pump. Or maybe not. News. That's just a sweep on everybody before it goes. Where do I have my stop on this one? That should be pretty decent here. I think we were just sweeping all those lows. Or all those buyers. Four minutes until the next 15-minute candle closes. Let's see. $20 seconds till the next 2-minute candle closes, so we'll see. Does it come touch that VWAP again? And if so, do we move down our stop a little more to give it some room? Or is it going to sweep all that down there? That is also very possible. Sweep all this, then continue up. Right? Or does it just rip up now? I got people in short. Hard to say. Two minutes left on this 15-minute candle. And does it just rip? Swept all that green on that 15-minute candle. now it's a push from there. Take out all these. Needed that extra liquidity to move. Now does it take out all this and move right up to the 3000s? Like I said, even if we get over these highs, we'll be watching. The 2-minute candle in 19 seconds. There you go, we're starting to squeeze. That's what we're waiting for. "55 seconds till the next 15-minute candle. I'd like to close closer to the top of this candle. If we don't, that'd be a little nervous, we'll pull back down. "24 seconds left on that candle." See, I don't like that. I start squeezing back down before I close the next candle. Especially on the 15. That makes me nervous. That makes me think we're going to roll over a little bit. I'd like for that to be wicked. 15 is wicked, but I just don't want it to haul back down. I want it to move up now. See, that's what I was worried about. But, no. It is in a wicky mood. In a squeezy mood, that looks good. Could definitely pump up over that. Let's see. You're gonna get it. This is gonna squeeze. It looks like it wants to. I never seen it wanting to squeeze before. Looks like it wants to now. It's stalling awful long though. I don't like that. I don't trust that here at the 80s. We need to get through that if we're gonna go like fast. Push right up through over these highs. If we don't squeeze here, I'm gonna have to get out. Right? 'Cause the 80s could be a failure. We need to pop. Come on. Like 90s quick. 90s quick. I don't know. Just push. Push through the 90s. Or to the 90s. Get through that 80, man. But 80's holding so strong. Gotta move through the 80s. Got to. Alright, that's what I'm saying. See that failure at the 80s. We'll leave it in. We'll see if people's taking it stops. I would have took it off to 170. I should have, but now that we're back down, whatever now. But it wants to squeeze through it. It's just how long it's gonna take. It's gonna go back to the 50s before it does, right? Can't hold that long. But it looks like it wants to squeeze through it so bad. 28 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. 8 minutes left on the next 15. Yeah, it's gotta push up. It needs to push up strong. Maybe it's just not enough volume this time of day, but it should be enough now. It's almost 9:30. Maybe it's just stacking up some shorts so it can move higher. I don't know. I don't know. I don't like that. I don't like that at the 80s. I want to get that to move now. Quickly. Up to the 3000s. Before the next hourly candle. Which is in 6 minutes. Next 15 minutes and 6 minutes too. minutes. The next candle is a push up and then pull back and then go, right? Five minutes till the hourly. Hourly candle closes in 5. I really don't trust this. Unless it squeezes now. I'm going to take this off because the hourly candle is probably going to dip this right down. Unfortunately for me. You don't want to break that 80. Just break the 80. I'm taking it off. I'll take it off. This I'll leave go because I don't even care about this. Well, I care, but I mean 4 micros. It's a little different than the mini. Watch this just squeeze up. I'll be really disappointed. We're up 326 in our Elite Trader funding accounts, 326 in each one, so it's 3 times 5. 5 of those counts. We're up around 1650, something like that today. They're only evals, but whatever, it's profit. Two minutes until the new hourly candle. I wonder what it's going to do. I still feel like it's going to pump, but I'd like to get a pullback first. Because if it just rips now, which it can, which is fine, but I'd like to get a pullback, take at these buyers, and then rip. Like a little pullback. We're only got a minute. I think it's 2 minutes left, yeah. But it might not. It might just rip. It's up to the 81s now, so it's breaking those 80s. Must have had a lot of sellers up there. And still more, apparently. It's driving it back down a bit. Like a little pullback here. Little pullback. I honestly think it wants to go. Pull back down to here. Then move up. Into this level. Down to 34-ish. But it might not. Might just go. Like I said earlier, it looks squeezy. One minute till new hour. Let's see what we're gonna do here. I think it just rips. I think it just rips it. We might get lucky. Might get a pullback. I doubt it. I doubt it. It's gonna go. Without me. Alright, okay, new hour. Maybe it does pull back. We might get it a little bit. Pull back, baby. To the, what, 70-ish? 68-ish? Yeah, I might get it. What's will that bring us? Yeah, we're at 66. I'm gonna actually put that a little lower. Put it down at 58-ish. Now let's see, 58's where, yeah, it should be. I don't say it's gonna come to the VWAP. Let's say maybe 64s. Come down so far, next candle, come down first here, then move up. Hopefully. Or that candle come all the way down. Either way, it's all fine. Seconds left on that 2-minute candle. It's fine to wick back up a bit because it's going to push on the next one, hopefully down to the 34s. Underneath the 9. Down to the 34s now and up. There we go. A little bit lower. 30 seconds left on the candle. A little bit lower, please. Five seconds left on the candle. I don't like that. I want a little lower. Not much. A little like to get it down around this line and then watch the reaction. That's what I'm looking for, down around the 68s or so, but it might just go here, but I wouldn't. I'd like for it to go a little lower to get in, to justify my entry. I don't think we're going to. I'm going to take it here. Put this down below that. Say at least to the pivot point. If it squeezes. I think it does squeeze. Just need to get this squeeze. Guys, I think it wants the highs. Now, does it double top here? I don't know. Could be two, but I don't think it does. But it could. Definitely could. Just gotta watch it. If you start seeing a wick down or start running down fast, get out. Squeeze, you bastard. I know you want to. New 2-minute candle in 35 seconds. There's the squeeze we wanted. We'll continue on this candle. I think it will. Looking for the 3,000s, but 23,000s, but I think it's going to this pivot point. 3,020s. That's where I think it's going. I could be wrong. Give it enough time for people to get short, and then it's going to continue moving. Or it's going to come in and take all along. Either way, it's going to be fun. See? Come on now. Got everybody excited. Everybody going short. All their stops up around the 3,000. 23,000, sorry. More people short. It could be wrong, but it could be right. One minute left on this candle. It could pull back a little bit more, probably to the 9. Maybe to the 9. I don't know. It depends how much squeezability it got, but it looks like it wants to squeeze, so at least to the 3,000s. 23,000s. I don't know why I keep saying 3,000s. We're gonna see. $25 seconds left on the candle to close it by the top of it and open the new one, or even right here. It's still good as long as it's not down below the candle. It means high probability is going to go up, so. But it is starting to go towards the low. Out, bounce back up. 4 seconds left on the 2-minute candle. High day now is just up at 23,028.50, so there's a higher probability now it goes to that before it goes back down. One minute 27 till next 15-minute candle. So see how this closes. Hopefully it closes up high at the top. And if it does, there's a higher probability we're probably going to continue. Sweep down a little bit, but continue up higher. I think it definitely wants that pivot point, but it definitely wants high day. Seem to get that squeeze. We're just looking for 23,000. Start trailing this a bit now because we're basically up where we want to be in these accounts for the day. So 2 seconds to the next candle. Yeah, it might come down before it goes up. I don't know. Doesn't matter. We're locked in now, whatever happens, so. I'm going to take it off there. So, 697 in each one of our Elite Trader Funding accounts. We have 5 of those. So, we're at probably 1428, and so 3,500 today in those accounts. We still have our Apex account still running. This trade we took earlier, same trade pretty much. We're going to leave that one until the highs, so, which isn't much further. So that one's still running. We're up 220 on that one. So that's good, man. Some good trading. Good morning. Just being smart, being really patient, really careful with our trades. Watching them. Why is this saying this is the high? Is that the high? Oh, high of, okay. Morning, whatever, but this is previous day high, I guess. Alright. Previous day high is wood. Yeah, we're looking for the previous day high to sell. Okay. That makes sense now. I guess we can look at our Apex is up a bit anyway. Now we can look at our other ones. We got our MyFund Futures was basically gone. It's like, I think it's $56. Yeah, $56 left on ours. We can try one micro and see what happens, but our trade day is also down a bit. I've got to get some more Take Profit Trader accounts later on. Take Profit Trader is 40% off, no activation fee, no daily loss limit. Please use code JW. It really helps. We're above that pivot now on the ES. So definitely, yeah, it's holding. So definitely could look up. This is 15. Yeah, ES looks strong. Definitely looks like it wants to go. I almost went 5 on that. 5 minis, NQ. Not MNQ, right? Would have been fun. Actually, maybe I'll go 1 on it. Once I get a pullback here or something, but I might just squeeze now, I don't know. Yes is running. Could definitely just be going. And we're up at all-time highs, so market likes to run. No, but good morning. We're up 3,500 on Elite Trader Funding. We're up 500 or so on our Apex, and We haven't done anything with My Fun Futures or Trade Day yet, but maybe I might wait for open, wait for a 15-minute opening range, and then just trade small with them and see if we can either build that My Fun Futures one back up. I highly doubt it. It's like down to $56, but if we can, it'd be funny. And trade day is down 300 or down to 370, so we'll see. But yeah, that was the right call this morning for that move, because now I might just grind. Well, ES is at the highs now, so will it push through and I might get a little pullback here, so NASDAQ can get to its highs, but we'll see. We will see. Freaking crazy, man. Probably for all the people down in Texas. Cat Mystic says 27 campers, counselors dead in Texas flooding. Wow. Freaking crazy. Sin. Just up to around here. I don't think we'll come back that low, but I don't know. Might. What's that at? When did I put that at? I put it at 76. Should be good. I don't think we'll come back that far. ES is at that though, so. Me too. What was I looking at here? Yeah, that's the worst part. ES hit the highs. So will NASDAQ continue, or 76 I got it at, right? So yeah, it's basically yeah, we should just leave it down. Maybe I should just take this off. 200 is not bad. We might get that pullback where ES hit the highs. So still a good trade. Might keep running, but I don't know. Well, that's probably it for me, man. I'm gonna call it there. Been on for 2 hours, but it's been good. Been good trading. Up a few bucks. We're up 3,500 on our Elite Trader Funding. We're up 200 on our Apex, and the other ones we'll probably wait for open and trade them then. But alright, man, that's it for me. Thanks to everybody who watched, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. I'm gonna have an update video later on, so if you watch the video again later, you can watch the update video. Alright, man, have a good one. We'll talk to you soon. Oh, 40% off Take Profit Trader.